Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah Brown and I'm back again with another video, with another interesting video. I feel so exhausted. I just got up from sleep. Just took my breakfast. See my eyes. I want to wash my clothes. Clothes. I want to wash my clothes with you guys, as you can see. Here, I don't have a machine, unfortunately. I will buy soon. As the days move on, I have a lot of clothes, not that much. My clothes are not dirty. Hazikuangi chafu vile. Ati I have to wear my clothes for hours. This one will only take me an hour or less than an hour. But before we continue, make sure you subscribe, share, like, and comment. Guys, support your girl. So wacha tuchague nguo and then tuzioshe. So these are the clothes. Tutachagua zile dark, bright, my underwears. I don't wash my underwears when I'm taking shower. Lazy girl. I prefer to wash them once all together. Dark. This one is my bra. Normally sivangi zile elastic bras where zinanipea kizunguzungu. I love sport bras. Those one as a in case of a function or something like that. But I don't really love them. Staying with those bra for the whole day zinachosha. So they're bright. Okay, bright. Kando. Acha tu hiyo nitaifua na hizo. Black. I'm talking about this type of bra. Actually, don't have a lot, but I don't love them. Zinanipeanga kizunguzungu. I can't stay with this bra for the whole day. Tasikia kama niko na kichwa mbaya. Tutaiosha hapo na yes. And then my gloves with my socks. Dark colors. Can we mix it with this one? Yes. Pants. Inner ears. So, yeah. Brighter color. No. Brighter. Socks. And jeans. There. But sitafua zote. I will know how I will separate them. Si ati nitachanganya hivyo venye nimezichanganya. Some of them zinaweza kuwa zinatoa rangi. Socks moja kama iko wapi Mungu Baba. Socks. Normally I have a lot of socks because cold. Huku ni kubaridi, see? Must wear this type of shoes. Yeah, let's continue by washing them. Right? So I have only 3 buckets. Nitatumia kuoshea. I'll buy more later. I said humble beginning. Acha zijae maji. Oh, I like some. Yeah. Let's put this way. So, take your more. The sunlight. Imetosha. Tuone nguo zenye tutaweka. Let's see. Let's choose zenye tutaanza nazo. Hizi. This one. Let's begin with those ones. Yeah. We start. Nimekelea hapa juu ndo nisichoke sana kuinamilia. Hizo tumezoea machine. Oi! Lord of Jerusalem, have mercy for us. Mi nishazoea sasa. Nishazoea kujifuria nguo. Venye nilikam was a little bit hard, but right now it's not hard because nishazoea. Yes, plus they are not many and they are not dirty. My clothes are usually not dirty, so kiwa hapo nje ukafikiria mimi siku funga besha yako. Ati lazima tusilie, sio? Yes. It's not easy, but see your girl in your machine. Ndio machine yake. This is my machine. Oh. So nishamaliza by the way. Hizi ndo nibakisha. Hizi dark. So acha tuone hii jean kwanza ika hapo. Let me start with this dark color. Hizi sijui kaa inamwaga rangi, acha kwanza ikae kando. And then let me wash socks pamoja, no problem. Yes, so tuendelee na hizi zingine dark color. Oh, I love two pieces. Napenda two pieces for one reason. Hazipeangi mtu headache ati na match nguo gani na gani. No, unavaa tu. So hizi nilikuwa nimeanza kwanza. So nizirim. This does not mean when you are there that I am a good wife material. No. In fact, there is something that I hate. Mkufua. Me washing clothes for man? No. Not me. Huh? He has to employ somebody to wash them. Yes, it is not my responsibility. But kani machine nitaosha. I don't just like washing clothes bana. Hey, this is my worst nini. Wife material wa kuosha nguo waliisha bwana. Bwana, you praying. Me, I actually hate, yeah. If kwanza kuosha msee nguo, I don't. zenye niliosha za mwisho labda za watoto wetu. But I have never washed clothes for a man. Na si kuringa. Or unless you marry me, bwana. It's not my responsibility. Don't choose me. Okay? These are not the days when only priority was marriage, no. Asha. Acha niongeze maji hapa. Nituweze kufua hizi. As I was saying, napenda two piece. Sinaona sasa inatoa rangi. But uzuri sija mix a white cloth. Two pieces are nice because unavaa. Hauchagui. Hatuna match na nini. You only need a top. Done. Unachomoka ukisonga. And then they are good when it's cold. Kwanza kama zile thick. Like this ones, they are thick. This is by Gaf. Let me tell you something. Kitambo kidogo, si sana, venye nitoka shule nilikuwa nafua nguo. Nilikuwa nafanya kibarua ya kufua nguo. But it was for my cousin. Alikuwa ananipea job ya kumfulia nguo. Ananilipa. Sasa ni mtu mwingine. Hao mama hufanya kazi za kufua. You find out clothes are very dirty. You are then very dirty. Natoka mikono kama imeraruka huku, imetokana. It's not part of my life. Okay, I'm not from a rich family, but I would like to be rich. Yeah. But all that matters me, peace of mind. Yeah, but be a person Simba. It's not bad, man. So bad. So after 2 days, I will wash. After 2 days, because I change clothes every day. Every day I have to. So hatuna option kabisa. Hatuna option. So I would wash socks. My socks are not that dirty. Sinishinda hapo niking'eng'ana na mambo ya kuosha socks. Nishamaliza kufua. Nishamaliza, so nitaongeza down. And that's it. Let's azianika after this. So lastly, the last thing that I do, nitaongeza downing fragrance that lasts up to 2 months. Okay, sijapenda hii fragrance, but I will use it. Nitabuy type ingine downy. Kuna downy ingine hapo mpya yenye imetokea. I don't really like this. Sijaipenda. Inafanya nguo zinukie vizuri. Nitanunua ingine type ingine. And that's it. Kimaliza hapa sasa, naenda kuzianika. Yeah. That's it. Finally nimemaliza kuosha nguo zangu, ndio hizo nishazianika. Yes, so make sure you subscribe, share, like and comment for more interesting video. Umeona venye mikono yangu ni machine. These ones siona hivyo na kucha, but I have strong nails as we katikangi. So I love you guys. See you in the next video.